Hello, it's Gem Games, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the default third-person template character. So yeah, let's get started. So, first time you open the template, you should have all these folders here. You want to go to the third-person folder and to the blueprints, and here you can see the PP third-person character. You want to open it, and you want to go to here and click the mesh. You want to open the viewport so you can see. Now you want to go to here. And you want to click this and select the SKM_many like that, and that's basically all that you have to do. So yeah, now if you compile, save and play, you can see we have this male character. So yeah, that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And I also have a pretty long Call of Duty Zombies tutorial series on my channel, so go to check that out if you like that kind of stuff. So yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.